What are the types of furniture we can see in our home? Sofa, armchair, chair, bedside, bed, table, shelves, wardrobe, lamp. These are the random things that we can find in our home. What are the random things we can find? Matches, lighters, Q-tip, clip, comb, nail cutter, pin, cloth pick, speakers, bottle cap, knob, scissors. Let's learn English. First one, roof, chimney, bench, stair, lamppost, door, window, fireplace, fence, doghouse, wall. Types of chairs: chair, folding chair, revolving chair, bar stool, mini stool, stool. Cooking verbs: peel, chop, grate, knead, mash, fry. Things in the laundry room: washing machine, storage bags, baskets, laundry supplies, and then ironing board, linens, the towel and all they will be right. So drying racks, garbage can, clothes dryer, hanger. Collective nouns. First, what is noun? If you talk about place, thing, object, so that are nouns, right? So here we will see some collective nouns. First one, a group of prisoners, a group of angels, a line of kings, a pack of thieves, a party of friends, a team of players, a troop of shouts, an army of ants, a catch of fish, a book of notes, a bowl of rice, a bunch of keys, a bunch of sticks, a nest of mice, a pack of wolves, a bride of lions, a body of men, a collection of coins, a class of students, a reels of fleeing. Adjectives to describe character and personality. First one, humble, friendly, frank, obedient, honest, fearless, unfriendly, generous, compensate, warm hearted, dishonest, disobedient, straightforward, selfish, imaginative, placid, jealous, harmful, enthusiastic, persistent, sensible, rational, reserved, self confident, bossy, nervous, plunky, patient, impatient, easygoing, careless, messy. Watermelon seeds have one of the richest nutritional content of any seeds. There are high proteins, good fats, and minerals like magnesium, zinc, and copper. Let's see some yummy foods which you should avoid or eat less. First one, burger, hot dog, steak, drum, drumstick, pizza, chips, sandwich, noodles, boiled eggs, cheese, sausage, slide bread, bread loaf, and then fried egg, druff nut, croissant. Thank you. Have a nice day.